One of the big secrets to the law of attraction is total trust in the universe. Are you ready to trust the universe and explode your manifesting power? Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. That's why every day we're launching another video for you, and all you have to do is subscribe and click the bell icon. We're here for you Monday through Friday with a new empowering video. Hey, by the way, want to remind you to come to Robert Zink official page on Facebook because we are putting up many videos there and a lot of other important information on the law of attraction. Okay, so we're talking about trusting the universe, and this is a tough thing. If you feel like the universe has let you down, like you got your hopes all built up, and then bam, you were slapped in the face. Something happened. Something tore apart your dreams. Well, high flyers, all I can say is at some level, you manifested it. I didn't say it was your fault. Don't blame me for that. I said that you manifested. You and I manifest everything that comes into our life, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We manifest it all. We are co-creators of our reality. We are in a partnership with the infinite field of potential, the universe. And once you understand that you have a powerful partnership, I mean an incredible ability to manifest literally anything you desire, once you understand that, then you start to take a deeper sense of responsibility for all the things that happen in your life. And you realize it was your trust. It was your partnership that brought all of this wealth and prosperity and health and a better relationship into your life. So the first thing is to open up to universal love. Look, the same God that created you, the same universe that gave you breath and gave you life, gave it to your enemies as well. The same source that brings you wealth brings other people wealth as well. So, high flyers, opening up to universal love. I don't have to like what you do. You don't have to like what I do. You don't have to like the way I live. I don't have to like the way you live. But I love you. And I believe that universal love tells the universe, of which you have a partnership with, that you love the creation that you're privy to, that you have a love affair with all of nature, with the trees, with the stars, with the sky, with the sun, with the moon, with animals, and with every living being, including those you don't like. I watch a show, a survival show, and they show these ugly bugs. Ugh. Just nasty, nasty bugs. And I have to remind myself while I'm watching the show that I love these animals. Yes, if they come into my tent, I will probably destroy them. It doesn't mean I like what they do. It doesn't mean I like the idea of getting bit by them. But I understand it's part of God's creation. I understand that. I don't like broccoli. I eat it. I eat broccoli, but I don't like it. It's part of God's creation, and it was put here on earth for me to eat, for me to consume and nourish my life force. So everything is sacrificing. Everything is giving itself to another life force in order that the perpetual life cycle may continue amongst all creation. Open up to universal love. That's number one. I mean, you just have to do that. When you open up to universal love, it's so easy to trust the universe. Trust, high flyers, when you trust deeply, when you trust the universe, when you trust God, you increase your vibrational state. And by increasing your vibrational state, you increase your ability to manifest anything you desire. The money you desire, the love that you crave, the relationship that you hunger for, and of course, the health that you absolutely need. Now, oftentimes people will say to me, "Yeah, Robert, I don't see anything that indicates that money is coming my way." Or they'll say, I don't think that my relationship is going to get any better." These are down and out sayings. These are negative affirmations. These are ways of destroying your manifesting ability. You do not need physical evidence. Once you have created an intention, once you have decided to take action, once you have decided to completely and totally trust the universe, then only good things are coming your way. Then only miracles are in the process of happening. You see, setting your intention, taking action, and trusting the universe. A lot of people will say, "Well, Robert, I have so much trouble trusting the universe." And we understand that. Rachel and I were talking not long ago, and we were saying some of the, perhaps, maybe not the biggest, but maybe the biggest obstacle to manifesting incredible wealth and abundance and love, saving your marriage, and all of that is your trust in the universe. And so we created a special program for you that we'd like you to try for 7 days. It's on us. Just try it for 7 days. You will notice a difference. But if you are sincere about building up trust in yourself, do it for 28 days. Do it for 3 months. Do it for 6 years. Yes, 6 years. Do you realize I read that Tony Robbins has been doing the same affirmation or incantation for 25 years? So if you truly desire to trust the universe, visit us at Miracle Hypnosis Online. That's miraclehypnosisonline.com. I have a special program there that will help you trust the universe because it's going to send a message directly to your subconscious mind. You see, most of your distrust is in your subconscious mind, and then it comes forward into your conscious mind. And so when you're operating out of fear, out of anxiety, out of worry, he hasn't called me yet, she hasn't dialed my number yet, the money's not showing up yet, I thought it was going to be in my bank account by now. When you're living in that kind of mentality, you make it impossible to trust because, listen to me, the one thing the universe requires from you is faith. In other words, trust. You can do all the affirmations in the world. You can jump up and down all day. You can get on the rebounder if you want. You can do the power pose. You can watch videos till you're blue in the face and bleeding out your eyeballs. But if you don't have trust, you lack the final connection to manifesting what you desire. High flyers, at some point, you have to let it go and let it flow, and that requires trust. You know, we see this in relationships all the time when two people break up and one of them decides that they really want to save this relationship, make it a new relationship, make it special again. And they write out an intention and they create some affirmations and then they start calling. Then they start checking out their Facebook page. Then they start checking out their Instagram. And they call again. And well, if I don't call, he'll forget about me. That's not trust. That's trying to control the situation. You see, high flyers manifesting isn't about control. It's about a relationship between you and the universe. It's about you raising your vibration and operating from a position of knowingness. I know good things are coming my way, and I am engaged in total trust. If you need help with this, visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com. I have a special program there called Trusting the Universe that will absolutely make a huge difference in your life. Anyway, that's all the time I have. Trust the universe. Open up to universal love and let it happen. Oh, yeah. You have a good day. Bye-bye now.